Love you, Dre Beef. Love you, Dre Beef. Love you, Dre Beef. Love you, Dre Beef.
Don't take no shit, it won't be used. But I guess sorry for yeah, that makes you so
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get a natural side part quick weave. I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I also washed my bundles, the bundles that I'm using. I don't remember where I got them from, but I think the inches were like, I think the longest was like 30. I think 2 was 30, and that's like really all I can remember because they're really old. But yeah, so I'm about to show y'all how we get down over here. Y'all, I'm really sad because I did not record off of my camera. This is like on my phone. But this just goes to show you guys, like, bro, you don't need a camera to record. But yeah, so let's just get into this video. So here I am trying to get my part, y'all. I wanted like a deep side part. And it's like every time I try to like do a side part, like either I don't pull enough hair out or the part don't be where I want it, and it just a side part is like really hard, but it came out really cute. And then okay, y'all gonna see.
Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany. I don't open doors for. I just want the neck, nothing more. Shorty make it clap, make it a blow. When you tired of you making me a call. Like bitches talking out they jaw. Next minute call it.
All right, so now when it comes to your braids getting braided to the back, make sure it's flat. Like, they don't have to be perfect, they don't have to be small, but you want your foundation to be like extremely flat so your quick weave can look like you got motherfucking tape ins, because that's what we going for, the luxury style. But yes, y'all, make sure y'all braids are flat. Like, they can be big as fuck, even if they're two, as long as you get it flat as possible, like, you're good.
These haters on my body, shake them all. These haters on my body, shake them all. These haters on my body, shake them all. I can never lose. What you thought? What they thought?
One more nigga come around these parts, talking that shit.
Baby, from the day I saw you, I really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you.
All right, so you're gonna want a black stocking cap that has two. It really don't protect your hair from the glue, because either way it go, it'll leak through. But here's a tip for you guys: cut your ears out. Like, if you cut it out, like, it's easier to outline your your foundation with your glue, and it'll like actually like touch your head. So that's a tip: cut your ears out like you're doing a frontal wig. And then now y'all just gonna see me outline with concealer, just so I could see. Y'all, I really wasn't doing it right, but y'all get what I was trying to do. So you outline it, and then you add the protective shield, and then next thing you know, you add your glue for the outline.
'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like and it feels like but you don't know my name.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, why did you be playing? Tell me now, I need you to be clear. If it one more thing, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, why did you be playing? Tell me now, I need you to be clear. If it one more thing, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, why did you be playing? Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body.
Alright, y'all, so gluing your own tracks in your head, like in the back, it's really hard, especially if your braids are not flat, because you have to worry about like it being bulky back there. You want to make sure you get your tracks right, but it's okay as long as you make sure it's flat. Some people use a mirror, like 2 mirrors, but I basically lay my tracks, but I also use like my middle finger or my pointer finger to like feel the placement of where I'm laying my tracks. So it's really not hard, but like I said, the flatter foundation that you have, the better, your install will come out. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to show y'all how I get this bone straight. The hair is originally straight hair, and I didn't want to curl it because I feel like when you have straight hair and you try to add curls, they fall faster. I mean, I don't know how it would be if you use a flexi rod, but I still feel like if you have curls, it's gonna fall faster because straight hair has no type of bump in it. But yeah, so I'm just showing y'all how I got this. Yeah, I should have used heat protectant on this. Y'all gonna see me use it, but it's on my leave out, and it's really last minute because I didn't already burnt my damn leave out up. But yeah, so y'all, it's really giving. I'm feeling myself. Do y'all hear me? I mean, do y'all see me getting all hype or whatever with Summer Walker music? Y'all, I love Summer Walker. Like, fuck London, you know what it is. But yeah, back into the video.
Tell me how a grown man such habits. Period. I'm not even gonna try to play with me though. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna just be quiet.
watching this. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. The goal is to hit 10K before this year is over with. So you guys support me, help me get to 10K if you guys like this video. Also like the video, comment what you guys think. And yeah, so now we're just about to get to the part, y'all. I was trying to fix it because I wanted to have like a little C shape or whatever. Like I wanted like deep in there, like a deep C. And then y'all, it's too late because I didn't already burn my hair up. But make sure y'all use heat protectant, even though I feel like it does not work. It does not hurt to just use it anyways. But yeah, and then y'all, so I'm not really a fan of baby hairs, but since I've been watching Jada Chivez do hers, I kind of got more into it. So it was giving, y'all. At first I had this little swoop going or whatever, and I'm just like, no ma'am, my part is like deep, like my hair is giving. I need to be a little bit more dramatic. So I had to pull like some more down so I could have like a longer swoop or whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, it came out really, really, really cute. And then I wanted to pull like my sideburns down, but I accidentally got like glue right there. But we're not going to talk about that. Just be more careful and don't do what I do. Well, do what I do on here, but be careful with the glue. That's what I meant. And y'all, for my leave out, I just like put more heat protectant on it and like edge control. Not too much because you don't want it to be too greasy. But I fixed that, but y'all didn't see. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.